Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to you all, students of grade 6, both boys and girls, offering mathematics in bilingual. Once again, welcome to our new lesson on direct proportion. We started with ratio, we continue with ratio, and now we have come to direct proportion. And I believe you are safe in your various homes. You are all seated, glued to your tables and chairs, with your notebook and pens, your rulers, erasers, and all the necessary mathematical equipment. This lesson was facilitated by the board chairman of our grade school, Mr. Yunus Arabi, in order to enhance your abilities and capabilities and to bring your studies right to you in your various homes. Thank you and once again for your attention. Our lesson is on direct proportion. Now let's look at the following question. Direct proportion simply means what? Direct questions. Questions that are direct. Direct also means straightforward. Straightforward. In this example that we have on the board, on the screen, in this example that we see on the screen, it says 1 bottle of water costs 40 cents. 1 bottle of water costs 40 cents. Find the cost of 2 bottles. Find the cost of 2 bottles. That means if 1 bottle costs 40 cents, how much will 2 bottles cost? That means 2 bottles will cost more. That means 2 bottles will cost more. And how do we know that 2 bottles will cost more? We are being told from the question that 1 bottle costs 40 cents. So if we are to find the cost of 2 bottles, that means we are going to pay more. And that will be 40 plus 40. So 2 bottles will cost more, which is 40 plus 40, which is equals to what? 80 cents. Or 40 multiplied by 2. Or 40 multiplied by 2 is also equals to 80 cents. Question 2, which is our second example. 4 chocolate costs 80 cents. 4 chocolate costs 80 cents. Find the cost of 3 chocolates. Find the cost of 3 chocolates. If 4 chocolate costs 80 cents, how much would 3 chocolate cost? 3 chocolate will cost what? Less. We are being told from the question that 4 chocolates cost 80 cents. Therefore, the cost of 3 chocolates will be what? Will be less. Will cost less. Therefore, the cost of 3 chocolates will be less, which is 60 cents. So the cost of 3 chocolates will be 60 cents. Four chocolates cost 80 cents. Find the cost of 3 chocolates. Now, how do you know? If 4 chocolates cost 80 cents, what will be the cost of 1 chocolate? What will be the cost of 1 chocolate? How to work it out? What will be the cost of 1 chocolate? It will be 80 divided by 4. And 80 divided by 4 is equals to 20 cents. 80 divided by 4 is equals to 20 cents. Therefore, 3 chocolates will cost 20 multiplied by 3. And 20 multiplied by 3 is equals to 60 cents. Example 3. We need 600 milliliters of water to make 3 glasses of orange squash. We need 600 milliliter of water to make 3 glasses of orange squash. How much water do we need to make 5 glasses? 3 glasses. 3 glasses. If 3 glasses will give us 600 milliliter of water, therefore what will be 1 glass? 1 glass will be what? 600 divided by 3, which is equal to 200 milliliters. Therefore 5 glasses will be 200 multiplied by 5. Therefore 5 glasses will give us 200 milliliters multiplied by 5. And 200 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1000 milliliters. So the answer is 1000 milliliters, which is equal to 1 liter. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Now this exercise is for you, my fellow student. Take your notebooks and your pens and write these questions and answer them. Question 1, as you can see on the screen. 3 packets of batteries cost £6. What is the cost of 5 packets? What is the cost of 5 packets? 2. 5 bags of sweets contain 90 sweets. Calculate how many sweets 7 bags will contain. And 3. To make tuna stuffed peppers for 8 people, we need 200 gram tinned tuna. How much do we need for 5 people? Time to practice. Take your notebook and pens and then solve them. When we meet in our next lesson, you produce them for marking. Thank you for listening, and once again, thank you for your attention, and thank you for staying glued to your tables and chairs for this lesson. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Have a nice day. Thank you.